Now you got to double check, because one of the things I noticed about these jobs is sometimes they'll say they're 100% remote, but then when you do an interview with them, they're like, well, it's 100%, but we want you to come into the, I was like, is this 100% or not? Yeah, you got to do an interview with them to make sure and ask them, is this 100% remote? You know what I mean? Like, you usually straighten that out with the actual screener once you talk to them, ask them. And then sometimes it is remote, but it's like 50% travel or something. Like, there's always some kind of catch sometimes with the job. You just got to make sure you weed out those gotchas with the remote jobs. I just went through this. That's why I know a lot about it. You know, I've been working remotely for the past 7 years now. Like, I've been working remotely for a long time. Crazy. It's crazy to me. Yes, it's been 7 years. I started in 2014 working remotely, and I've been working remotely ever since, and I will never go back. And that being said, if you guys are interested, I have a course on how to work remotely. It's on ConvoCourses. Go check it out on ConvoCourses.com. Just find the remote jobs course, and then I have it out there. I might even write a book about that one and break it down, so it's like a $20 book or something like that. I might do that because I've gotten pretty good at getting remote jobs and winning those remote job positions. Link to the course. I'm assuming you're talking about the CC. If you're interested in this, we were just talking about this course right here, which is an entry-level ISC2 squared course, which they're giving. I believe you have to pay for their training. I think it's $200 for the training now. It was free like last week. Unfortunately, no longer free. And then after that, you take the test, and I think they give you the test for free, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong. TikTok. Somebody on TikTok correct me on that one. I appreciate that. But yeah, here's the link right here. It's isc2.org/certifications and /CC, or you can go to Google and just type in ISC2 space CC and you'll find it.